Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram restrict certain activity. To know how to fix Instagram restrict certain activity, you should just go here to settings. As you see, we will click like this. After that, in this page you will go to apps. As you see, we will click, and when you will see this list, you will go down to Instagram here. After that, in this page you will go to force stop. When you will click force stop, you will go to storage and you will click, and after that you will find this page. You will go to click cache, and here you will click clear data. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.